In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent background in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. This is a straightforward process that can add a professional touch to your slides, making them more visually appealing and versatile, especially if you need to overlay them onto different backgrounds. First things first, open up your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file where you'll be working on. This could be a presentation you're currently crafting or an existing one you would like to modify. Once you have it open, navigate to the slide that you want to apply a transparent background to. This step is crucial as you'll be making changes directly to the slide of your choice, so ensure you've selected the correct one. Now, with your chosen slide in view, you'll want to right-click directly on it. When you right-click, a context menu will pop up. Look through the options and find one that says Format Background. Click on it, and this will open up a new sidebar menu, typically on the right side of your screen. This menu is your gateway to adjusting various background settings, and it's where the magic happens. In the Format Background sidebar that's just popped up, you'll notice various options concerning the look of your slide's background. To make the background transparent, you'll need to adjust the transparency settings found here. Look for a slider or a percentage option that controls transparency. By sliding this bar or adjusting the percentage, you can control just how transparent you want the background to be. Maybe you want it to be slightly visible for a subtle effect, or perhaps you prefer it to be completely transparent for a seamless look. You have the freedom to choose according to your needs. Once you've made your adjustments, take a moment to review how your slide looks with the new background setting. If everything seems to be in order and you're happy with the result, then you're all set. Your slide now features a transparent background and is ready for use in your presentation or for overlaying on other media. And just like that, you've successfully created a transparent background in your PowerPoint slide. This small but impactful adjustment can enhance the overall aesthetic of your presentation, allowing you to incorporate more creative elements into your slides. Remember, if you need to adjust any further, you can always go back into the Format Background settings and tweak things as needed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making your presentation stand out.